Hi, I'm April with WTI.
In my opinion, there's nothing better than moisturized skin that feels and smells great. That's why I love Johnson's CottonTouch Baby Lotion. This lotion provides the best ultralight and breathable moisturizer for my kiddos. I absolutely love that it's made to use on the whole body, including the face. It's so important to me that my little ones learn how to hydrate and protect their skin. As you can see here, they are so happy to help put on their lotion, and this is a great way for us to start our day. This baby lotion absorbs so quickly while leaving their skin so touchably soft. We all enjoy the fresh and clean cotton scent. So if you're looking for a new moisturizer for your little one, I would definitely recommend Johnson's CottonTouch Baby Lotion.
And that's our point of view.